Before we begin, I have a little riddle for you. Is anything ever free from a woman? So, if you boys love your ladies and you want to have flowers, you'll perform for us.
Are you married?
I think I'm pregnant now. All right, boys, we need to find out who is the best man. On the count of 3, I want you to look out past this audience. Take in a deep breath and then yell for as loud and as long as you possibly can. Oh, yeah! Loud and long, boys.
We prefer longer.
Yeah, we do. In one continuous breath, no cheating. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze your butt cheeks. Ladies, let this be a lesson.
That was for you.
It's his birthday, too.
Oh, it's his birthday. Oh, it's his birthday. Oh. Well, you know what, everyone? We're going to save him for last. Who do you want to start with?
Oh, I think I want to start with the caveman.
And why do you want to start with a caveman?
Because he's such a furry word.
All you have to do, baby. People in the back, part like the Red Sea, this man's coming through.
Look out!
I want you to run to that open area back by those trees. Once you get there, turn around and face us. Then we want you to start beating upon your chest, yelling at the top of your lungs, I am an animal. Yes, I am a savage. Take me to the new world. Animal, savage, new world. Run. Go, 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 go.
Thank you, honey.